Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be straightening my hair and showing y'all how I get my hair from curly to straight, get that silky smooth blowout, you know what I'm saying? So it's not really complicated. I'm not doing anything super fancy. I'm just going to show you guys my techniques. So the first thing that I do is section my hair off. I like to work in quarters when I'm straightening my hair. I just find that that's the easiest thing for me to do, and I like to start from the back corners. So I'm just going to be sectioning and detangling each section individually. It's really important that your hair is detangled. I also detangle my hair in the shower. Another thing that's really important about straightening your hair is make sure you've done a deep conditioning treatment. So I'm going to be using this stimulating hair oil from Do Grow just to moisturize my scalp. I did do a deep conditioning treatment like I just said, but still, like, it never hurts to make sure your scalp is moisturized. I'm also going to be using this carrot root moisturizer from Hollywood Beauty and this smoothing elixir. I'm not really sure of the brand, sorry about that, but I just know I got it from Sally's Beauty. I'm going to be mixing these both together. This is going to help me to have a smooth blowout. The elixir is actually a heat protectant too, so that's good. I like to use a dimming brush to just, go through my hair, and then I just hold the brush at the end of my hair while I move the blow dryer back and forth. This is a very low tension method because you're not, going in with a blow dryer comb. I just find that this is the most helpful for me. And then once my hair is already kind of straight, then I start to go through it with the brush. But you don't want to just be brushing too much through your hair while it's wet because that can cause breakage. So I'm going to be doing the very same thing to the top, except the top I don't really need the brush as much because for some reason my hair is more detangled at the top always. I don't know why, but I do take a wide tooth comb to just really get in there, and you'll see that I'm blowing my hair up when I get to the front. That's because I want a lot of volume and body in the front. Whatever way you dry your hair is the way that it will stay. So if you're going downwards like I am now, then it's going to be flatter, but if you're going upwards, then you're going to have more volume. So just a little tip if you want more volume in your blowout. So this is what my hair looks like when it's all blown out. It's big and fluffy, and I really need to trim, you guys. So you don't have to tell me. I know I really need to trim my ends. I would have done them then if I had some shears, but I didn't. So now I'm going to take some Silk Remedy. This is supposed to be like Sally Beauty's compared to Chi Silk Infusion, and I think it works really good. I just take a little bit and just run that through both sides of my hair to just give me a little bit more of weight, and you'll see my blowout ends up being really silky, and I like that at first, at least for the first few hours or so. And I'm just going in and making sure that there's no tangles, there's no knots. My hair is as straight as I can possibly get it. Now I'll be honest with you guys, my hair has been straighter, but for this to be a low tension method, this is about as straight as it's gonna get. So I'm taking that heat protectant again in the wide tooth comb, just evenly distributing that throughout my hair. And as you can see, I put my hair in smaller sections. So I have 3 big sections, and then in this first section I'm going to go in smaller sections. I'm just gonna keep doing sections. It's important that you only work with the amount of hair that you can handle at the time, because if you try to rush and go too fast, use too big of a sections, your blowout is not gonna come out good. So take your time. As you can see, I'm running with the Jesus Christ. I went in with the blow dryer one more time. Now I'm going in with the flat iron, and I got it on 400 degrees, and I'm using the chase method. So if you're not familiar with the chase method, basically what it is following your comb with the flat iron so that your hair gets really straight and it gets every individual strand. So that method works really good for me to get my hair super straight, and that's just what I'm going to be doing throughout my whole head. So I'm showing you guys the end of my hair because if your ends look like this means they need to be trimmed. So if you are noticing that it's harder for you to pass over your ends, that just means that you need to go ahead and snip them, baby. Just let it go. It's okay. If it ain't healthy, cut it off. Cut it off. You also want to make sure that you're applying light tension when you're pulling the comb and the flat iron, just so you can get your hair extra straight. So we're to the end of the straightening process, and as you guys can see, my hair looks pretty straight. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna be finishing up here, and then we're going to style. Shout out to the Voodoo Child. I was watching her tribe tease while I was straightening my hair, and she had me so freaking weak. If you guys don't watch her, I'll link her channel down below. But if you do watch her tribe tease, let me know. Like, I think that's so funny. But yeah, so now I'm at the last piece, and as you can see, I'm flat ironing my hair straight up the same way that I did with the blow dryer. This is for the exact same reason, to add, volume and all of that. And now I'm gonna go and press my edges out. If you have like a hot comb or a small flat iron, that'll probably work better. But I did have a hot comb, I just didn't feel like waiting for it to heat up because it takes forever. But yeah, so my hair is all straight. Now we're gonna style. So I'm sectioning my hair again, but this time I'm using much bigger sections. So the back, as you can see, it's like a third of my hair, and then I'm gonna split it in half, and then I'm just gonna be curling my hair because I could not find my shears, so I didn't clip my ends, and I wanted to disguise them by curling my hair. Okay guys, so this is basically the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more hair videos, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are interested, and click the notification bell. And remember, in order to live your life to its fullest, you must live fearlessly. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.